grandmother-in-law and the grandmother and his mom and dad have been driving a car that's unreliable.
No air conditioning.
No air conditioning. Living here in Texas, 100 degrees out. And well, nevertheless, us and the other siblings have decided that time out, it's time to get them a new vehicle. So we're on our way to lunch right now. So excited to see how their face reacts afterwards, and we present them with their new keys. So get ready to see the whole thing be played out.
And not all the siblings could come, so that's why we're filming this.
We'll put you right here. We'll put you right. Hey, bro.
Oh, I just wanted to pick on Angel.
Don't tell me you're gonna make this one here. Oh, why not? You never know what we'll say.
Y'all need to do something good for the show. Come on. Here, let me film you so that way I can see you on the green screen a bit.
Oh, she'll have no hair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Who's that one? Who's that one with the flat head?
You're an instant green screen. I love it. I love it.
From the guy for $75 or whatever. That's why I filmed everything with. When we got out here, she'll.
Yeah. Kurt?
5 hours a day.
Just push the button so it shows you where it's at.
Panic button.
Oh my gosh.
There's an air freshener also. We couldn't fit in the.
Oh my god.
Okay, we gonna walk out there or what? Let's go out to the car. Let's go see the car.
Let's go see it. We're excited.
Don't fall down. Let's go see the car. I'll still be here. Let's go to the car.
It's okay.
We got a few minutes.
It's fine. They're fine. She can be.
She's almost manager, man. It does.
Straight up. They
Watch your step, Mom.
They need her. I know. It's the one in the middle.
It's got air conditioning.
Actually, the air conditioner, this one doesn't work. So it worked out. You guys are used to it. Yeah, I mean, you gotta. You stick the other thing and turn it. It's not. You gotta.
It's not like my Jeep where you push a button.
No, I think like Lisa's. You don't. There is no key. You just push the button. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You want to drive theirs back to their house or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we gotta get on the road.
I gotta check
Hey,
it out.
Julie,
Yeah.
I'll drive theirs back. You want to follow me? And that way they can ride home and then. Well, get in the back seat. You want to ride with them?